Look at all the goofy starlings in my yard. Look at them all. Look at them all with their babies. I hear a catbird. Where is he? I love catbirds. So cool. You hear it? Easy way to make a bird feeder. Get a plant stand, get a pie pan that's the same diameter, poke some holes in it for drainage, throw in your seed, and you've got a bird feeder. I am so inventive. I can't stand it. There's baby starling. Oh. Alright, you two. Quit fighting. Blue jay fight. Heck did they go? Oh well. New bird bath is quite popular. When I get the solar fountain, it should be even more. I gotta get more rocks to finish my little garden there around my bird bath. I didn't have enough. I found those in the yard. We have a rocky yard. So I gotta put some more around there. My brother, the landscaper, could get rocks. Ah, there's a pretty cardinal. These guys are eating like crazy. You got a lot of babies to feed, I guess. Well, I know. One of the hanging baskets my mom got for Mother's Day. It's purty, ain't it? It's wet because it just rained. Here's some of that May night salvia. It's pretty too. Come on, catbird. I want an interesting bird to come down. They're not doing it. There's a woodpecker. See it? Little downy woodpecker. Oh, that's the most popular tree in the neighborhood. In about 2 weeks, it will be full of big fat mulberries. And the catbirds, and we'll get cedar waxwings. We get cedar waxwings when the mulberries come out. So cool. Now the woodpecker's on the woodpecker bar. Murderous grackle. Arrgh. Aw, he wants some food. You gotta learn to find food for yourself, little guy. I don't think you can fly yet, I'm not sure. Don't go in the dog pen, whatever you do, because Mara will eat you. Yes, sweet Mara. She will jump on baby birds and kill them, just like that. Hey, Peckerwood. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh well. He's gone. He's gone. There's another little garden there I made under the tree. I planted seeds around the tree, so there's not much color there because they're not, of course, they're not in bloom yet. Look, it's a pretty parking lot. Oh my gosh, we have such beautiful scenery. Such a lovely view. There's the neighbor's garage, the wood pile. There's my wild garden. There's some apartments. That's the police station right there. You can see the roof. There's my wild dog pen. You can see right there where the fence is gone in the back. See, it gets privacy fence. I just let it grow up wild in there because Mara and Cowdog are in the front. They're back there relaxing. Anywho, before I bore you to death, I will let you go. Wish you a good evening. And tonight's the blue moon, so watch out for the werewolves. Ow!